Finally, MIUI 10 Global 9.3.25 beta ROM is available for Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and it has Android Pie on it, and I found one major problem in this ROM. So hello and welcome guys, welcome to Craxoid YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you install MIUI 10 Global 9.3.25 closed beta ROM on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and I will show you its features, specifications and one major problem. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see here, this is Redmi Note 5 Pro and I have installed a custom ROM latest Havoc OS 2.3 on it. Actually, I was going to make a video on this Havoc OS, but Android Pie just came out on this 9.3.25 closed beta ROM, so I have to make a video on this, so here we go. As you can see here on the screen, this is the necessary file that you have to download to install Global 9.3.25 beta on your Redmi Note 5 Pro, and also download this lazy flasher zip file to protect your Twrp. And to install this 9.3.25 beta ROM on your phone, you must have installed custom recovery on your phone. And if you don't know how to install custom recovery, you can check my video in the description below and can easily install custom recovery on your phone. After installing custom recovery on your phone, then you have to power off your phone. So simply power off your phone and then go to the custom recovery mode by pressing power button and volume off button simultaneously. So then you will be redirected to the custom recovery mode. As you can see here, I'm in custom recovery Twrp right now. Here you have to press on the wipe button first of all, and then click on advanced wipe button. And here you have to select Dalvik, Cache, Data, System and Finder, and then swipe to wipe. Just swipe it and then go back and click on the install button. Just click on it and select the ROM zip file that you have downloaded. So click on it and then swipe. And it will take some time, so I will skip it. Extraction process completed. Now click on wipe cache Dalvik and swipe. And now go back and click on install button and select lazy flasher zip file and then swipe. It will protect your Twrp to be removed from your recovery. And lazy flasher is also installed here. Now click on reboot system and click on do not install, and it will reboot your system to the global 9.3.25 beta ROM, and this will take some time, so I will skip it. And we are in booting setup right now, and here you have to connect your Wi-Fi, connect your Gmail, connect your MI account, so you can do it by yourself, so I will skip this setup also. And the booting process has completed, and you can see here there is no any difference in user interface. It is almost same as the older version here. Now I directly go to the settings section and show you the about phone. And you can see here there is device model Redmi Note 5 because it is of China ROM right now, and you can see here on Android version Android 9 written here, which means Android Pie is running in this phone. So we finally install Android Pie on our Redmi Note 5 Pro. And this is the same Redmi Note 5 Pro that I just showed you a moment ago. I just changed the wallpaper and installed some applications so that I will show you its more feature. As you can see here, the MIUI version MIUI 10 Global 9.3.25 beta, and you can see here the Android version Android 9. And the interesting thing is that you can see here the Android security patch level of April 5 here. Actually this is March here, but we got the Android security patch level of April 5. This is interesting here. And I will try to show you the other features very quickly so that the video will not be lengthy and you won't get bored as well. And the first feature that everybody waited for a long time for Redmi Note 5 Pro is that the dark mode is available in the display setting here. You can directly enable the dark mode here from the display panel. And the dark mode used to work on the most of the application, but not for all the applications. Now I quickly show you its camera, and you can see here there is no any AI mode available, only HDR mode is available right now. And when I go to the video setting, there is no any 4K video recording available here. And you can take 15 seconds short video. And there are same other features that used to be in older MIUI ROM. Now I quickly show you its Antutu benchmark score, and you can see here the benchmark score is 117601, which is pretty good. And if you might wondering either camera to API will be enabled or not in this ROM, then you will be sad because camera to API is not enabled right now, and neither the phone is rooted. Now I directly switch to the PUBG game, on which graphic and on which frame rate you can play the game PUBG. And you can see here you can play this game on balanced graphic and medium frame rate only. There is no any SD mode available right now, and it's sad news for the PUBG lovers. And I will disable this dark mode for now. And you can see here the fingerprint scanner is working perfectly fine here. It is really quick and it's better than ever. And there is double tap to wake option is available in the display setting. You can try it if you wanted to. On the lock screen, as usual, fingerprint and face unlock is available here. There is no any different at all. And on the notification style, on the notification setting, you can see here there are two options available right now. One is MIUI and one is Android. You can choose anyone you want it to. And on the settings, Android 5 full screen gestures is available and it works like a charm. And on the explore new features, there are three options available. The first one is quick ball, and the second one is one-handed mode, and the third one is second space. And I know you know about them all. And on the app lock, you can now add your face data also. You can see here there is options of use face unlock here, and you can now add your face on app lock if you want it to. And the another feature is that you can directly drag your application to use your dual application. So you can see here you can directly drag like this and you can use your dual apps. Now you don't need to go to the settings section to use your dual application feature. And the another feature is that you can now change the battery indicator style if you want it to. You can see here there are three options available here and you can change on any you want it to. And there is use adaptive battery options available in the battery setting, and that used to limit the battery for the apps that you don't use often. And you can see the battery standby sample here. I'll show you the samples on the screen, and the battery backup is pretty good here. And I told you earlier that there is a major issue related to this ROM right now. It may be because this ROM being in a closed beta phase right now. As you know that this is not a public beta ROM, and I hope this problem will be solved when a public beta ROM is available for all the beta users. And now what's the problem? The problem is that when you go to your custom recovery mode, then it won't work. Your data is actually encrypted and it needs a password to decrypt it, and nobody knows the password, so that you can't use your custom recovery feature in this ROM. That means you can't root your phone, you can't enable camera to API, you can't even flash a ROM through your recovery, that may be TWRP, please flag, or any other recovery. And I will show you here by going to my custom recovery mode. You can see here my phone is switched off. Now I will press volume up button and power button simultaneously to go to my custom recovery mode. I'm in custom recovery TWRP right now, and you can see here it needs a password to decrypt the data, and we don't know the password. So I'm gonna cancel it and I will swipe here. And when I click on the install button, you can see here there is nothing, and on internal storage there is 0 MB written here. It means the data is encrypted. And on the mount section you can see here there is no any data option available here, but there is option of decrypt data, but we don't know the password, so we can't decrypt our data. And if I typed a random password here and it says something like this: failed to decrypt data, unable to mount storage, you may need to perform a format data. So I go back and try to format the data through factory reset, but it does not work. And this is the problem we are facing right now, and if you know the solution of this problem, you can comment down and help us. So that's it for today guys. That's it all about the MIUI 10 Global 9.3.25 beta ROM based on Android Pie, and I hope you got lots of ideas about this ROM. And if you want to install this ROM on your phone, then I will drop a link in the description below so that you can easily download this ROM. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, just let me know. Hit that like button, comment below if you have any kinds of problem, queries or suggestions, and guys please don't forget to share this video as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.